We're taking a look here at the mounting bracket for the LG Chem battery. We can see how it's oriented with the tabs on the left-hand side and all the mounting holes in it. The manufacturer's instructions recommend at least 6 lag screws to mount this device. So let's go ahead and pick that thing up and put it on the wall. Now we're going to be mounting it onto 3/4 inch exterior grade plywood, but you may be going on the side of a house. If you're going on the side of the house, the reason we have all those holes there is so that we can go in studs. This will be officially the heaviest thing you've ever put on a wall. So this is going to weigh as much as a human being. And so it's got to be able to hold up a human being forever. All right, you got it?